Avoiding miscarriage during early pregnancy. Miscarriages during the early months of pregnancy are not infrequent. They are quite the opposite, and approximately 10 to 15% of women experience this. These statistics may not be to the point, and the actual figure could be higher since many miscarriages are unreported, and a few women do not even know they are pregnant before their pregnancy ends. There aren't any scientifically proven methods to prevent any miscarriage from happening, as most of the underlying causes are not preventable. However, there are a few things that a pregnant woman can do to be on the safer side and avoid contributing to the cause. Causes of miscarriages. In many cases, even the doctors cannot fathom the exact reason why the miscarriage happened. But usually in the instances where the causes could be pinpointed, a miscarriage was inevitable. About 75 to 80% of loss of pregnancies take place during the 1st to the 13th week, also called the first trimester. A few of these causes are irregularities in the genes. Among all the pregnancy losses that occur in the first trimester, about 50% of them were because of chromosomal aberrations. The anomalies like missing and damaged chromosomes are detected by the mother's body and it eliminates the fetus. Clotting of blood. Antiphospholipid syndrome is a condition that causes clots in the blood. This syndrome can be a potential reason for an abrupt end in the pregnancy, but it can be treated with the proper medications if detected early. Ectopic pregnancy. This is a more rare case of miscarriage. In this condition, the development of the fetus begins outside the womb. This is the underlying reason behind a miscarriage. It cannot be prevented and requires urgent treatment. Problems with the placenta. Compatibility of the fetus and the placenta is crucial for the sustenance of pregnancy. If there is any incompatibility between the two, it will result in miscarriage. The same is the case with defects in the uterus like shape abnormalities, which causes a miscarriage. Loss of pregnancy after the first trimester is less observed, but it can happen as well. Reasons behind loss of a pregnancy during the second and the third trimester are uterine and cervical infections and fibroids, high blood pressure and diabetes if not managed carefully, autoimmune disorders such as lupus, thyroid conditions when monitored adequately, drug abuse, excessive smoke inhalation and alcohol consumption, harmful chemicals like pesticides, heavy metals, pain thinners, solvent and mercury, detachment of placenta from the womb or inadequate blood flow to the placenta, preeclampsia and eclampsia, issues with the umbilical cord. How to reduce the risk of miscarriage? Number 1. Be careful about what you eat. Eating healthy should never be off limits. But once you start eating for two, you have to be 2 times more cautious. Include all the essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins, healthy fats, carbohydrates, and lightness to ensure your diet is not short of anything. Eat more vegetables, fruits, cereals, and whole grains to steer clear of complications. A condition called anencephaly is also less prone to affect your fetus if your diet is healthy. Number 2. Manage your weight. Obesity is a frequent guest in the list of factors that put women at a risk of miscarriage. Obesity can also result in other fatal health conditions like few types of cancers, diabetes, and heart problems, which are harmful to developing a fetus. Obesity also creates a direct link between preeclampsia, gestational diabetes, premature birth, and other kinds of pregnancy losses. Please remember to consult your doctor before moving ahead with weight management plans or putting yourself on weight loss medications. Monitoring every step of pregnancy is essential to be safe. Number 3. Avoid illnesses caused by foods. Some foods can cause illnesses like listeria that are associated with an increased risk of miscarriage. It is highly advisable to prevent foods that may contain disease-causing bacteria like unpasteurized cheeses, undercooked meats, and as such. If you cook yourself, handle it carefully. Do not keep it on dirty surfaces or utensils that could contain harmful microorganisms. Whichever produce you get from a grocery store, make sure to wash it thoroughly before eating it. Number 4. Make unhealthy habits a thing of the past. Severe health deteriorating habits like smoking, which is a gateway to plenty of chronic conditions such as various types of cancers, lung problems, stroke, high blood pressure, and heart diseases, should be avoided. Even secondhand smoke is equally harmful to a pregnant woman. Smoking is also linked to infertility in women, miscarriages, premature or stillborn babies, and babies born with a very low weight. Babies born to women who smoke excessively remain at risk of death by SIDS as well. Alcohol is another habit that should be turned away from during the months of pregnancy. Excessive drinking increases the risk of fetal alcohol syndrome, miscarriage, and stillbirth. In some regions, doctors prescribe a limit to which the consumption of alcohol is safe for pregnant women. But for the excellent health of the fetus, it is advisable to stop drinking altogether till you are pregnant. It is also a big no for the consumption of drugs during pregnancy, as it increases the risk of miscarriage manifolds. Health experts have also recommended against consuming more than 30 mg of caffeine per day. Number 5. Boost folic acid intake. Intake of approximately 400 mg of folic acid reduces the risk of the fetus having congenital disabilities that lead to miscarriage. Starting from the day you try to conceive until your late months of pregnancy, keep up vitamin B's consumption for excellent health benefits. Number 6. Practice sexual intercourse safely. To avoid the risk of sexually transmitted diseases during pregnancy, it is crucial to use preventive measures like condoms while having sex. Contracting STDs when you are pregnant can pose some severe complications in the pregnancy and may even lead to miscarriage. Miscarriages are no reason to be discouraged from trying to get pregnant, as it is not out of the ordinary. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle helps a lot in the journey of pregnancy, and it is true for everyone. We hope you got what you were looking for and are leaving here informed. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.